So, short review about Bosch induction stove, hob or cooktop. We using around 5-7 years. When we bought it, we was thinking about induction or this old type heating element with, I'm not sure how it calls, but this is new type induction. It works just with a special how it goes, special pans, special for you must use induction like those, and there must be some sign that it works. Or another easy way to check is if it's magnetic. If magnet works, it means it's good for that. If magnet is not climb, finish. It's not work. It's not gonna work on induction. But in these 5 years, we are very happy with that. Sometimes, of course, it makes some small problems. It's not working. It's coming some error. So we must turn off in fuse box, off fuse, and put it on again after it get restart, and again it's working. And another small, not problem, but sometime it's turns on child lock, and for example, now I must turn on, and after some way no, oh, this function I even don't know. Oh, now it's child lock, and you can do whatever you want. It's not reacting. To turn off that, you must wait until this light disappear, and after push and hold, finish. Child lock is off. To turn it on, just press this one. If you have something put it on this, it's choose automatically. If it's some more, you must choose manually which one you want to heat up. So for example, I want this one, choose this and put power. It feels that is nothing on, no pan, so it's turns off automatically self. Another one more thing is boost. Boost gives more power, and it gives more hot. But we not use this because it's quite fast, and it's enough have 9 or 8, 7. And what else it have? It have some minutes. You can adjust after how many minutes it gives sign, or I think it's sign starts beeping, and you must come and turn it off self. But this function we also not using, but it's good. Here is sign after how much minutes you have this symbol. Oh, here is I'm not sure, I have never used it. Turns off. Okay, now it's gonna beep after 10 minutes. Oh, now everything is off. In this time we have used it. One thing I don't like is not possible to lower sound, because in night it's quite big sound makes and children can wake up. It's this beep sound. And rest is very good. Also color black one is more practical, because if you have white color you can see brown, like brown color, like burned something, and it looks not nice. Black, if you see deep, yes, you see many scratches, but we use it a lot. But if you look from little back, you see nothing. It looks like new. What else I can see? Yes, it's just main functions. Turn it on, choose which you want, push power, and it's coming power, and after you can lay down. Also Bosch, I know Whirlpool and some other, if you turn on, it starts from 1, or here it starts from 9 when you turn it on. This is I like much more, because it starts from 9, because always you need first, it's mostly hot, so, and it uses not a lot energy, as we not recognize any big electricity uses after we got this one. Before we was using gas. Gas now it's allowed, but it's recommended to use electric, so we get this one. It's much more easier to clean, much more, it's not getting hot. Also induction have is special, because it's not getting hot. Of course it's get hot from the pan when but it's not so terrible hot. If you have this old type with spiral, it's, I don't know how many degrees, but it's very hot. Here is not so much. So if I tell something not true, you can write comment, and maybe I was wrong. About this clock, I have never used it, so I'm not sure how it works. This one I showed how unlock with child lock, because sometimes it's pushed. And as I told, it needs some time restart, because coming error and is no reaction, you cannot start. I don't know, once by 2 months or something like that. Yes. So like and subscribe. See you next time.